Hey guys, I'm just gonna show you something real quick. I think mostly I'm gonna work on art tonight, but got these little numbers beneath the characters, which is their net ID, and I also got it so that if you're over something you can interact with. If you are something, alright, that guy can't interact with anything for some reason. It'll say gunner's chair or whatever. Of course, you can still shoot each other, which is always fun. Beep, beep. But I want to show you how that script works. I think that I got this from Unity actually, but the main thing here is that just on GUI, on GUI, Jesus, I first take the position of my transform, whichever this script is attached to, and I convert it to screen point from world space relative to the camera. Then I set the color that I want for the GUI. I set the background color. I don't know what that means. I think that's for this box. And then I create a little box at this location relative to that. So 25 units to the left of wherever this is. Units, this is the Y position of that. So I take the screen height, I minus where I am from it, and then I add 20 to go above it. Or actually no, sorry, to go below it. And then I make it as long as my character's max health. And this is, I think, the height of it. And this is just a style that I set here, I think. You can just copy this code if you want. Basically it makes a texture of a certain color. Sets that as the style for this GUI. And here's the make text function that I'm using up here. Basically takes height and width and a color, and it makes pixels of that size, and it creates a texture based on that, applies the pixels to that texture, and tosses it back up, and we set that as our background. Anyways, so we set those styles to here, and then down here I kind of do the same thing. And I say basically if you're nearby something you can interact with, and this is one of my custom variables, I just make a label at the appropriate position, and I pass it the function of that interactable that I'm near as the string. So that's the thing that it's going to write out. I do the same thing here but instead I use my network identity dot net ID. So this is kind of a crazy get component function, but whatever, I did it. And what that looks like is this. Got my health, got my the net ID, and if I go over something, it shows what I'm interacting with. So that's cool. And if I get another guy running up in here, I'll show you what the health bar does. Well, you know what it does actually. It goes down if you shoot at each other. But I'll show you anyways. So in this part of the code, remember I set this color is, I think, black, or this one's black and this one's green. So if I host it over here and I join over here, you'll see that the green is dominant because the green is my current health. Oh, where is it? This is my back style and this is my health style. So my health style is green, my back style is black. Up here I'm setting my back style relative to my max health divided by 2, and the green one I'm setting it to my health. So because I have full health I'm all green, but if I shoot you start to see some of the background color coming out, that black texture. So that's basically what's going on. I'm just drawing two GUI boxes right over each other and just changing the width of one. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh, I should disable shooting. Anyways, hopefully that was vaguely interesting.